So in this video, you'll learn how to add an image to a post on Bluesky. So the first step is to start by creating a new post. So you can just tap on create new post and you should see this template here. So if you want to add text, you can always just type in the text like that. And then to add the image, it's fairly simple. On the post template, you should see this image icon on your screen. So you want to tap on it and then it will open the gallery app on your, it will open the gallery. And from here, you want to select the image you're going to use. Alternatively, you can always just select this camera icon that you will see here. And this will prompt you to now take a photo that you can add directly to your post. So you can take the photo and then if you're okay with that photo, just tap on OK, or you can just tap on retry and try again. So once you've selected how you're going to add the photo, whether it's from the gallery or directly from the photo app, you then also have this option of editing it. So you can add alternative text saying whatever it is you want to say, like that. And then once you've added the alternative text, you can just tap on save. Then from here, you can also edit the image. So you should see this pencil icon on the image. You can just tap on it and then customize it to your liking. So this means cropping, rotating it, all sorts of things. Once you've finished editing, just tap on this check mark like that. If you don't want the image, you can just tap on this X and then remove it and try again later. And so once you've added the image, you've finished customizing, you've added the alternative text, you then want to tap on post, wait for the image to be uploaded completely, and then once it's been uploaded, your post will be published. So if you want to view it, you can just go to your profile, and then you should see your post with the image right there. And then if the image doesn't load, you also have the alternative text. If you want to view the alternative text either way, you can just tap on like that, and you can see it right there. So that's how you can add an image to a post on Bluesky. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and we'll get back to you.